This training will show us how to add expenses from our expenses Google Doc into our expenses Google Sheet tab in the client info Google Sheet. So you'll open up the document that says expenses. You'll look for the company name, which here is Sezzle. And I've highlighted both the date and the fees that we're going to be inputting. So look for our first one, which is August 14th of 2021, and we'll scroll all the way over and we'll see the fee is $24.21. You're then going to move into our client info Google Sheet. You'll find Sezzle, and right under Sezzle you're going to put insert row below, and you're going to go ahead and put in the date. The date was 08/14/21, and then you can toggle back to the tab to find the amount, and the fee is $24.21. And we'll move right in here and put in $24.21. To add in the next one, you're again going to put insert row below, and then you'll put in the date and the amount. Now, say you're going to move into another company, say that there are fees listed in our Google Doc here for a different company, so your company name will always be on top, followed by its expenses. Say you see one for one of these other companies, you would follow the same format, insert row below, insert the date, and then the amount of the fee.